Toyota will soon enter the segment of small unibody pickups, and many wonder if the Japanese car maker will be able to make a vehicle that is as good as the Maverick and offer it at the same price. Can the new Stout be as capable and as practical as the Maverick? Can it be as efficient and as affordable as Ford's pickup? Some say that the all-new Toyota Stout is a mistake, but here are 7 reasons why we're pretty sure that they're wrong. Number 7. Single cab/long bed configuration. One of the trends of the modern pickup truck industry that many of us don't like is that most companies are simplifying their offer as much as possible. Even in the midsize pickup segment, most manufacturers now offer nothing more than a crew cab/short bed layout. Among compact unibody pickups, things are the same, as both the Maverick and Santa Cruz are available only in family-oriented variants with spacious cabins and modest cargo bed lengths. But we believe that there's still a large group of buyers who would like to get a small but work-oriented pickup with a single cab layout and a long bed. Imagine a Maverick with a 6-foot bed. That would be a natural choice for all those who need an affordable and practical pickup rather than an expensive and not particularly maneuverable full-size truck. For many contractors, farmers, and very small businesses, a pickup like that would be a natural choice. And that's exactly what Toyota is going to offer, according to the latest reports. Besides the anticipated crew cab layout, it'll also offer a single or extended cab version of the Stout, which will come with just a single row of seats, but notably a longer cargo bed. We think that would be a great advantage, not just over the competition, but over mid-size pickups as well. Number 6. Super efficient hybrid powertrain. With the hybrid version of the Maverick, Ford completely changed the way we look at pickups. Usually seen as highly capable and thirsty, a pickup body style suddenly became available in a very efficient package. Ford's hybrid pickup still impresses us with its fuel economy, which goes up to 42 mpg in the city and 33 mpg on the highway. Well, guess what? Toyota plans to solidify its reputation as the world's leader in hybrid technology and offer a pickup that exceeds these numbers significantly. Namely, the new Stout will share most of its parts with the Corolla Cross, including the powertrain. That powertrain will offer way over 40 miles per gallon in a combined drive and make the Stout by far the most efficient pickup on the market. At the same time, this is a highly capable system based on a 2.0-liter inline-4 with a combined output of 196 horsepower. It actually has 5 horsepower more than the Maverick, so efficiency won't be the only way that Toyota outperforms the Blue Oval company in the segment. Some sources suggest that the new Stout will be offered only with a hybrid powertrain. Others suggest a gas-only version as well. According to them, Toyota will also offer a kind of high-performance version, which would most likely feature a 2.4-liter Turbo 4 with a max output of 265 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, plenty enough to compete with the turbocharged variants of the Maverick and the Santa Cruz. Number 5. Attractive design. One of the things most people don't like about the Maverick and Santa Cruz is their styling. Ford's pickup on one hand is too simple. Some would say dull. The styling definitely isn't the key reason for its popularity. On the other hand, Hyundai went too far and offered pretty much the same face as the Tucson, and for an average pickup buyer, that's a bit too flashy. Even unibody, these vehicles are supposed to look rugged, not over-designed. That's the aspect where Toyota has to play its cards well, and judging by the rendering photos, that's exactly what's going to happen. Most sources suggest the same design approach as in the case of the compact cruiser concept, which brought a fantastic blend of retro and modern design solutions. At the same time, this vehicle looks futuristic and rugged. It's still rather straightforward than over-designed. We think that Toyota has found a perfect measure, and this design language would fit the segment perfectly and make the Stout an absolute hit. Number 4. Off-road versions. With such an attractive design, it would be a real shame not to see a capable off-road version on offer. And if we trust our sources, there will be more than one Stout of this kind. Namely, there's the hybrid version first, which will, unlike the Maverick, come with an all-wheel drive configuration on offer. Basically, we would see something similar to the recently introduced RAV4 Woodland Edition, which brings a couple of pretty interesting upgrades, but mostly visual enhancements. Such a version would be a good choice for all those who need a vehicle for light off-roading but don't want to sacrifice on-road driving matters at all. On the other hand, the more extreme off-road version would come with a Turbo 4 engine and with a TRD badge, we presume. With the genuine mechanical all-wheel drive system, that model would bring heavier off-road upgrades, including higher ground clearance, upgraded suspension, low-range gearing, skid plates, and locking differential. In other words, such a Stout would compete with the Maverick that's equipped with a Tremor off-road package, while the electrified Stout would bring much higher off-road potential than the Maverick Hybrid. Number 3. Safety Sense 3.0. Everyone knows how much attention to safety Toyota puts into its models, and the new Stout will be no exception. Like other Toyota models, it'll also come well equipped with the latest driver assistance features, even in the most basic variants. But more importantly, it'll come with Toyota's latest Safety Sense 3.0 suite of advanced active safety systems, which brings notable upgrades over the previous 2.5 version. For example, the suite includes improved radars and sensors, which reflects in better operation of pretty much all systems, starting from the pre-collision system, which now offers enhanced intersection support and can also detect motorcyclists. Systems like lane departure alert and lane tracing assist also benefit from the new sensors. The former has enhanced lane recognition and operates notably gentler at higher speeds. The latter is now able to steer in order to provide more space for objects passing in an adjacent lane. The road sign assist system has also been updated and now recognizes even more signs than before, while automatic high beams reduce glare for passing vehicles. Finally, there's a new system called Proactive Driving Assist, which is designed to help drivers in challenging situations. For example, it can detect certain objects and curves and apply gentle braking and steering, all in order to help drivers in these situations. Number 2. Modern car-like interior. Despite the cargo bed and all things that are usually associated with this body style, small pickups are primarily seen as family vehicles. They're designed to provide such a high level of comfort and combine it with the practicality of an open cargo area. And in such a constellation, the new Stout will have to offer a modern car-like cabin design in order to be competitive. The Maverick does that only partially because its cabin looks pretty dull. On the other hand, Hyundai's pickup impresses with its stylish interior, which also utilizes high-quality materials and numerous tech features, so it can easily be mistaken for some luxury SUV. Toyota will most likely offer a design that's something in between. The point is to offer an elegant design but also keep the price at an attractive level, and that's why we're pretty sure that the Japanese manufacturer won't experiment much. Instead, we think it'll offer the same or very similar dashboard design as its closest sibling, the Corolla Cross. This means that it probably won't be as stylish as the Santa Cruz, but still way more car-like than Ford's pickup, where designers had an obvious lack of inspiration. A relatively simple but elegant and well-built interior is what we're about to see, with a nice selection of materials and a solid offer of tech and convenience features. Speaking of the tech features, all models should come with a decently sized 8-inch infotainment screen, as well as all quintessential connectivity features, including Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, Amazon Alexa, Bluetooth, 2 USB ports, etc. Higher trim levels will offer upgrades like wireless charging, extra USB ports, premium sound system, dual zone climate control, and many other tech and convenience features you expect to see in a family car. Number 1. Competitive price. Finally, one of the Stout's strongest points will be its competitive price. It's still early for the exact numbers, but we're pretty sure that Toyota's pickup will be similarly priced to the Maverick. It turned out that Ford's super affordable pricing was unsustainable, so we've been witnessing massive price jumps in the last 2 years. The 2024 model will start at $25,000, while the hybrid version will cost $26,500 in the most basic variant. Considering the starting price of the Corolla Cross, we're pretty sure that Toyota can form a pretty similar price. Moreover, it could easily be even more affordable considering that the Japanese carmaker plans a single cab version too, and these configurations are always cheaper than double cab counterparts. Thanks for watching and see you next time.